Hello friends, welcome to my new video. Today we review about BMW X6 Sports Activity Coupe car. BMW X6 dominating design. An available M Sport package enhances the X6 xDrive 40i with the aerodynamic kit, M Sport suspension, and additional wheel options. Seamless compatibility. Standard wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility keeps you up to date and connected to all your favorite apps and mobile content. Expansive views. Bring the outside in with the standard panoramic moonroof, which floods your cabin with fresh air and natural light. Design of BMW X6 Sports Activity Car. Dominant. Great power is displayed in the wide stance, horizontal contours, impressive air intakes, and brilliant headlight designs. Elevated. Impress with every detail, including an array of available wheel styles and sizes ranging up to 22-inch. Striking. The optional illuminated kidney grille adds distinction to the available Icon LED headlights with laser light. Luxurious. Experience premium comfort with standard leather upholstery, exclusive interior trims, available glass controls, and ambient lighting. Performance. Sporty prestige. The X6 Sports Activity Coupe puts you in a position of power with BMW twin-power turbo engines, an inline six-cylinder enhanced with the latest 48V mild hybrid technology in the X6 xDrive 40i and a V8 engine in the M50i with standard M Sport exhaust system. Plus, the X6 also boasts a standard 8-speed sport automatic transmission for precise shifting. Precise athleticism. Every X6 includes standard xDrive, BMW's intelligent all-wheel drive system, which automatically distributes power between wheels for optimal traction and control. Adaptive M suspension, standard on the M50i and available on the xDrive 40i, allows you to choose between a more relaxed or sporty drive, while M Sport brakes are always ready for action with a precise response and a standout look. Safety and technology. Innovative safety features. Protect what's important. The BMW X6 includes a comprehensive safety package plus additional features, so you can stay secure in every situation. Standard active blind spot detection. Visual cues in exterior mirrors alert you to hazards in blind spots, with steering wheel vibration. Standard lane departure warning. If your BMW starts to stray from its lane, this automated system alerts you to get back on track. Available extended traffic jam assistant. Get a hand in traffic. This feature assists in the steering system, supporting you at speeds below 40 miles per hour and keeping the vehicle centered in lanes. Take control wherever you go. Stay seamlessly connected and secure in all conditions. Impressive innovations make every adventure in your 2023 BMW X6 an exciting, high-tech experience tailored to your preferences. Personalized displays and controls. The standard BMW Live Cockpit Professional brings live content to the dynamic digital instrument cluster and central information display, seamlessly integrated with advanced navigation and the voice-activated intelligent personal assistant. Park with precision. When you reach your destination, the available parking assistance package makes finding the perfect spot as simple as can be. An array of cameras and sensors guide you effortlessly into position. Effortless Control. The My BMW app lets you lock and unlock doors, check vehicle status, or use available remote engine start to get things running from your compatible mobile device. Does the X6 offer third-row seating? The 2023 BMW X6 is available in a 2-row, 5-seat layout, and the spacious interior allows plenty of room for up to 4 passengers. Is the 2023 BMW X6 a sports utility vehicle? The BMW X6 is a sports activity coupe, BMW's line of crossovers that combine sporty style with the spaciousness and versatility of traditional SUVs. The coupe-inspired body accentuates its performance capabilities without detracting from the utility of the vehicle. What safety features does the BMW X6 offer? The 2023 BMW X6 comes standard with active driving assistant, which includes frontal collision warning with city collision mitigation and lane departure warning. In addition, the available active driving assistant professional package adds safety features like automatic lane change, extended traffic jam assistant and cross-traffic alert front, and more. Is the BMW X6 all-wheel drive? All X6 models are all-wheel drive, including the X6 xDrive 40i and X6 M50i models. BMW's xDrive, intelligent all-wheel drive system, provides optimal traction, allowing you to navigate any road and adverse weather conditions year-round. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and support.